the fatal fatty acid mistake everyone is making. One of the most misunderstood topics in nutrition is fatty acids. Many still believe that all fats are bad for their health, leading to a widespread fear of incorporating fat into their diets. This misconception can have serious consequences, as it overlooks the crucial role that healthy fatty acids play in our overall well-being. First, let's clarify the difference between healthy and unhealthy fatty acids. Healthy fats, often called unsaturated fats, include monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These fats can help lower harmful cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and support heart health. On the other hand, unhealthy fats, such as trans fats and excessive saturated fats, can contribute to various health issues, including heart disease and obesity. Incorporating suitable types of fats into your diet is essential for optimal health. Healthy fatty acids are vital for brain function, hormone production, and nutrient absorption. Warning: these weight loss myths are holding you back. Many people fall victim to prevalent myths that can hinder their progress in the quest for weight loss. Today, we're debunking some of these misconceptions to help you adopt a more balanced and practical approach to your health journey. One of the most common myths is that carbs are always wrong. This belief has led many to eliminate carbohydrates from their diets. However, not all carbs are created equal. Whole grains, fruits, and vegetables are rich in essential nutrients and fiber, aiding digestion and keeping you feeling full. The key is to focus on the quality of carbohydrates rather than cutting them out completely. Incorporating healthy carbs into your meals can provide energy and support overall health. Another widespread myth is that skipping meals aids weight loss. Many people think that by eating less, they will lose weight faster. In reality, skipping meals can lead to increased hunger later in the day, often resulting in overeating. Research shows that regular, balanced meals help maintain stable blood sugar levels and prevent cravings. Instead of skipping meals, aim for smaller, nutrient-dense meals throughout the day to keep your metabolism active. Additionally, there's a misconception that all fats are bad for you. Healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, are essential for your body. They support brain function, hormone production, and nutrient absorption. Embracing healthy fats in moderation can aid in weight loss by keeping you satisfied and reducing the likelihood of unhealthy snacking. By debunking these myths, we encourage you to adopt a balanced approach to weight loss. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods, practice portion control, and listen to your body's hunger cues. Sustainable weight loss is about making informed choices rather than following fleeting fads. Embrace a holistic approach, and you'll be on the path to lasting success.